is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you see right here, we do have another package. It was a trade that me and Chase worked out, but we also scored some sweet goodies from Target, and I am stoked because this has been on my radar since this was announced. But check this out, we finally got the Mustang 5-pack. Look at this lineup. You got a beautiful black recolor of the 62 Mustang concept. I just love the way they did the stripe right there on the side. You have the black OH5s with the blue chrome trim, followed up by the 92 Fox body in white. I definitely do love that color setup. Looks really good with the gray and red Z stripe. Then followed up, you have the S550 in orange convertible with the chrome J5s. You do have a little white and black stripe running down the side, charcoal interior. Then this beauty, look at the red metallic on this 69 Boss 302. That looks so good. I'm glad they went with a more factory setup. Beautiful red metallic though with the white stripe running down the side. You have the small MC5s in chrome. And then last and definitely not least, guys, look at this beautiful 71. That is such a gorgeous color, man. It's like a bluish teal metallic. Loving the black stripe with the Mach 1. Dude, so nice. So here we go, 71 Mach 1. Loving the card art as well. You got the orange S550, but here we go. And I'm glad I re-looked over the pegs, because this was like the 5th or 6th one hidden behind some older ones. And this is what I saw, the front of the S550, and I knew I had found it. So here she goes, fitting in perfectly with the Mustang collection. So I do have the first couple of the Mustang 5-packs. These are actually box variations. As you see, you have the 2005 in red. This one just has the running tri-bar, same castings, just box differences. And then below that one, you have the 45th anniversary, which has the beautiful Mustangs as well, followed up by the 50-year 5-pack. And now we have yet again another one. So aside from the Shelby one, which is right here, this one also does have Mustangs in it, but it's not a full Mustang pack. It has been a few years since they've done one, so I am glad we have this for the collection. I was just beyond stoked on this one. And then followed up, we did grab the new recolor of the 69 Copo Camaro in red. It's out of the Muscle Mania series. This is just a beautiful car itself. You have the chrome MC5s with the staggered fitment and the Yanko style stripes in white. I definitely do dig that, man. That is just a beautiful 69. Then got the recolor of the C8. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous livery in this blue metallic. So I'm glad they kept the same livery we've seen on all the previous releases. In comparison, I think the yellow one was one of my favorites because I just loved the color scheme of it, which you have right here. And then that one's also a beautiful one, and then followed up by the red edition. So I think they've done a really good job doing the C8R and not going too overboard with it. So another awesome recolor for the collection. And then last one, it is a Target exclusive straight from Auto World. Look at this, the 86 SVO 2-pack, and it comes with the 69 Mercury Cougar XR7. Another beautiful one, but this is the one that really caught my eye because yeah, the SVO is just a very underrated vehicle. The only other SVO I have is this one, which is in the Spectra Frost color. And then you have the turbo one sitting right up top. So another SVO is great to have in the collection. I know I think I have a couple other ones from M2, but Auto World, man, they did a phenomenal job of this. Look at that blue metallic. Love the 5 spokes in chrome. Then of course this is a limited one of 6,668. And here are some deluxe facts. But yes, only at Target. I know there's a recolor of this one in red, and I really want to get my hands on it. So there we go. Scored that one yesterday and was excited, but really, really stoked about the 5-pack. So this package right here is from Chase. We worked out a deal. He wanted one of my Copo Camaro premiums. I threw in a couple extras, and we got some cars in here that I can't wait to see. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, here we go. Oh, look at this, fancy. Jason, aka MHD. Hey, that is sweet, dude. Look at that. Dear Jason, hope you enjoy. Dear Jason, hope you enjoy the castings from Chase, aka Mustang King. P.S. The Miata is a racer for your track. Nice. That's a pretty sweet little card you got there, man. Appreciate you. Right. Now, I know there's a couple Mustangs in here, or maybe there's one or two. I don't remember exactly, but that's everything from in there. All right, let's get straight into it. First one is the funny car. We do have this one. This is actually the wheel variation. Here we go, guys. Beautiful race team livery over this pearl white. Look at that. That thing is nice. So there's actually two wheel variations to this one. You got the short card 5-spoke, regular 5-spoke, and then at the bottom you have the one with the black MC5s and the red chrome trim. Now, I don't remember which one is the rare one, but those are two wheel variations for that casting. And this is actually my first loose one of this color variation, so that is awesome. Next one, we got the Civic EK9 hatch. Such a beautiful one. Look at that, man. Nice. Definitely want to see one of these on the track, but this is just a clean casting, man. Probably one of the best color releases so far. White with the red interior is just a perfect setup for a hatch like this. And of course the white 10 spokes just really tie it off. So nice one. All right, next up, this one right here, guys, I did not have in the collection. And when he sent a picture of it, I was like, dude, I have to have that one. Look at this beautiful 2005 Mustang. And it has the realistic flames running on the side with the chrome PR5s. It's actually in pretty decent condition. I don't have this one in the collection, so this is just another awesome one to throw in with my other 2005s. So there we go. Look at that. Man, same color as Ruby and everything. Let's go ahead and close this. I keep forgetting. Safety first, guys. All right, next up, here we go, the 65 Convertible. Now, this is actually the opening hood version, and I really do like these. So this is the black enamel with the flames, tan interior, and gold 5 spokes, and then, of course, the opening hood. So here we go. I do have this one carded. I just did not have it loose. So there she is right there amongst all the other 65 convertibles, but definitely a nice one to have loose. Look at that. Here we go. We have the track contender. It is the yellow Miata. Definitely do dig these things. Check that out. This is actually going to be a really good car. First Miata on the track. Hot MX5. Really nice detail. Great MC5s. So sweet. This is what Chase will be driving on the track as his contender. Last one right here, guys. The new for 2022's Treasure Hunt. I overlooked this one a few times when it first came out. Let's see, what case is this? E-case. The Draftnator Treasure Hunt. You have the little flame right there on the back. You got the orange Steelies, which are actually signature to track cars. So you can see right there, best for track. So anytime you see orange wheels, they are very good for track and loops and all that good stuff. So another treasure hunt to throw in the collection that I did not have. So that is super sweet. Thank you for sending that. And we'll put it with all the other treasure hunts right down here. Check it out. Super cool package from Chase. Really glad he was able to get the Copo Camaro in his collection. He said he's been trying to get it for a long time. Worked out really good. Like I told him, the Mustangs would have been perfect. He didn't have to send any more than that, not even the treasure hunt. But I definitely appreciate you throwing that in there along with the EK9 and these beautiful Mustangs right there. So super stoked to have this one since I did not have this one in the collection. Talk about a super cool mini haul from Target. Like I said, this has been on my list since everyone was sending this out, letting me know that this was coming out. And and I'm glad I was able to get the one and only that was on pegs. Of course, the recolor C8R looks beautiful, the red Copo Camaro, and then of course the Target exclusive 2-pack with the 86 SVO. So that is all we have for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, if you guys noticed in the video, I do have some little metallic flake on my thumb. Yeah, daughter got some nail polish, and this was the sacrificial finger, which you guys see a lot when I do my unboxes. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.